Metbah Lyngdoh, Presiden Kasengsan Partai United Democratic Party, ulaong ba jingtip halor ke jingkren penpa Bah Bindo lanong. Bau kwah leit ya reng ke election jiet nong mikmat syaka ying dor bar tau an ke jilla na Nongkrem constituency house nam arajar arpulai. Haba kali namar bau Bah Bindo nong yalam bareng ba ka UDP ula kren ba ula penkrek ban ya reng na Nongkrem. Metbah ulaong balada kawan ke jing pentip habaya day halor kata unsa pet benya kumno ban le. Da ka ba pentip ba ka UDP Nongkrem circle kalak pen scam da ka kerteng lambor malnyang MLA bat MDC ba menta ubam day na kano ka sengsan partai ban ïakhun house nam arajar arpulai Metbah ulaong ba kadai ke jing ngos scam jungki ba lambor udai breu ba biang na benta ka election MLA ka banwan. Ulaong ba lambor malnyang umpat day associate member ka UDP Henry kidon ki benta ki bahab ban renti namar udai MLA ubam day na kano ka sengsan partai.
Is it official that the independent MLA from Nongkrem is now an associate member of UDP?
No, he is not an associate member, but the circle has, felt that he is the right person to contest for this next election. But however, procedure has to be followed when it comes to that, because he's an independent MLA after all. He is not a UDP MLA. Yeah.
But senior leader like Bindo said that he has been nurturing the constituency for 6 months. So how do you tackle this?
I have no knowledge about this.
He has come on record saying that he has nurturing the Nongkrem constituency for last 6 months.
When that has been brought to my notice, then I look into it.